Hi everyone, my name is Kyle. I'm here with Makers Mercantile to celebrate September. Happy September to all of our knit boxers. Your box should be on its way to you, most likely any day now if you haven't already received it. If you haven't received it, then pause the video. Pause the video right now because you might want to be surprised. If you don't want to be surprised, you can just watch the video and see what's inside the September box. So as always, these little boxes come once a month for our subscribers, and inside there's going to be a pattern, there's going to be yarn, there's some kind of a treat and a goodie and a joke. So yeah, and a download code as well for the pattern if you'd like to get a digital version of it. So let's dig into September and see what September holds. So September always begins with a joke. Well, every month begins with a little joke thing here. This is from our friend Jonathan makes these up for us, and they are generally themed. So here it says, once upon a time, what does it say? Once upon a time, there was a king who was only 12 inches tall. Unfortunately, he was not remembered as a very good king, but he was an excellent ruler. Get it? 12 inches equals a foot, and that's a ruler, and haha. So ruler, maybe that's the thing that we're going to find out about today. So let's take a look at, yes, you see that blurry thing? That's going to be what we're going to be making. Consider it tissue paper. And ooh, so the yarn that we have is a yarn called Wunderkleckse. It is by Schoppel Wolle. Oh, why am I showing you two balls of this yarn? Because surprise, you get two, and I would juggle if I knew how, but I don't. So we're going to give you two balls of Wunderkleckse by Schoppel Wolle. And this is a special colorway that is exclusive to us. So hooray, we get to celebrate with all these purples and greens. It's really fun. This yarn is 75% wool, virgin wool, and 25% nylon, and it's biodegradable nylon. And that's the thing that's pretty cool about the Schoppel products. They're generally moving towards biodegradable nylon. Now that doesn't mean that the nylon's going to fall apart when you're wearing your piece. It means that once we're done enjoying the handmade pieces that we make out of the different yarns, and it goes to the landfill or whatever, this that biodegradable nylon will biodegrade. So that's a pretty cool feature. It does cost a little more in the production, but our planet is worth it, right? So we get two bowls of Wunderkleckse. So that is our wonderful yarn. It's a lot of yardage. And this finished project is, ta-da, it's the Royal Envy scarf. It is a very simple pattern that, here I'll show you the actual pattern. The finished piece is about 8 inches wide at 84.5 inches after blocking. So here is the pattern. There's, it's just a front and back pattern. And of course, there's a download code, right? So here's our download code for adding the pattern to Ravelry if you have a Ravelry library, or getting a digital version of it if you'd like to have that. What else is in here? So more tissue. Oh, a little shortbread cookie. Yay, because we're talking about royalty. So we have a little Walker's shortbread cookie. It's a little treat, a little snack for you. And then the gift is these little tiny stitch markers, which they come in this little organza bag. And inside there, I think it's 10 of them. And I put them on a needle here, so you could see what they look like, the different colors. So it's a little rainbow of these they're iron stitch markers that have been coated, and I think they're really awesome. So I want you to check those out and see what you think. That is the gift. So I'm gonna roll the lady out of the way and pull this scarf off just to give you an idea of what this patterning looks like. So it's, I would say, it's not really a reversible pattern, but the non-public, the backside looks pretty good. So this is the front of the piece. And when I turn it around, here is what the back side looks like. So it obviously is the back non-public side, but I still think it looks really good. So you could make your piece a little bit wider if you wanted to make it shorter. And we're just working back and forth with those 2 balls of yarn. You know, 2 rows of one, 2 rows of the other, and we let the yarn do whatever it wants to do. So that's the fun about this kind of a project. So we're carrying the yarn up the side. There's just a couple ends to weave in, right? The beginning and the end. And there you have it. It's the Royal Envy scarf for our September knit box, along with some shortbread cookies, some really awesome enameled, or coated, I guess is a better way to say, coated steel stitch markers, and 2 balls of yarn that's biodegradable, all the way from Germany. So that's September. October is coming right up. If you're interested or haven't joined us for the knit box and you'd like to be a part of our monthly subscription, just go on over to makersmercantile.com, click on subscriptions, and you'll find an opportunity to sign up. And so once a month, you'll just automatically get a delivery of a project in a box ready to go. When you're ready, if you're ever ready to unsubscribe or take a break, you just reach out to us by email or give us a call, and we can cancel your subscription when you're ready. So easy as that. That's the knit box. That is September. We will see you in 1 month for another fun knit box adventure. Thanks for watching.